Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I am going to discuss how to protect yourself from tax scams. Now, tax scams are on the rise, and if you become a victim or have been a victim in the past, then you know these scams can negatively impact your finances and your life. And not only will I go over the most common tax scams, but I will provide you with the knowledge to recognize and avoid them. By the way, if you are new to me, my name is Nikki Burns, and I help six-figure multifamily buy and hold investors save $50,000 in taxes and maximize their cash flow so they can add more doors to their portfolio using the wealth method. Now, before we get into the great details, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so we can help other investors find this video. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about some common tax schemes that you should be aware of. These are schemes that thieves use to deceive taxpayers. The first scam is impersonation scams. Now, thieves are pretending to be employees of the IRS or some kind of representative of the IRS. Their main purpose is to demand immediate payment and threaten you with legal action or even arrest. The second scam is phishing scam. These include the fake emails, the fake phone calls, text messages, and voicemails. And these scams are usually offering to provide help with tax relief, tax credits, or even help you set up an IRS account. Using this scam, the thief is attempting to steal your personal information, such as your social security number and bank details. And the most common phishing scheme that I've seen so far that's currently going on right now is the ERC credit. Now, I'm not going to get into too much details about what the ERC credit is because that'll be for another video. But these thieves are leaving voicemails on people's phones claiming that they can help taxpayers with ERC credits. The third tax scheme is tax refunds. Thieves are promising to increase your tax refund and they're requiring payments up front for bogus services. The fourth scam is the charity scam. Now, these are fake charities asking for donations. And when you donate, these donations are not tax deductible, and they're usually going into the thieves' personal bank accounts. Now let's dive into how you can recognize these scams and know if you're being targeted. Now, the first thing that you should look out for is demanding immediate payment. The IRS will never call and demand payment up front or threaten you with arrest. Two is the communication method. The IRS primarily communicates with taxpayers through mail. So they're always sending you letters in the mail if they need to contact you or need additional information from you. So the IRS will never call, text, email, or leave you voicemails on your phone. Okay, and the third red flag that you need to look out for is the impersonation tactic. Thieves will pretend to be IRS employees, so they'll give you a fake name and a fake badge number. So you always want to contact the IRS and verify that person's identity because 10 times out of 10, they are not an employee of the IRS. The fourth red flag you need to look at is the too good to be true tactic. You want to be skeptical of anyone promising to increase your tax refunds or give you any kind of guarantees. Now that you know what the red flags are, now let's talk about how you can protect yourself from these tax scams. The first way to protect yourself is to hang up or delete. If you receive any suspicious calls, voicemails, text messages, emails, hang up or delete them. Never engage with the scammer over the phone or any kind of way, which leads to the second way to protect yourself, and that is to verify the identity of the caller. So you want to contact the IRS. The third method is to use secure methods. Whenever you are sharing personal information, make sure that it's through some kind of secure portal and look for the HTTPS in website URLs. And don't click any links from any unknown sources because those could have viruses and malware and other things that the hackers can use to steal your information. And once you click on it, then you've taken the bait and they have your personal information already. The fourth is to report the scams. So you want to report any scams that you are receiving, report them to the IRS and the Federal Trade Commissions so they can investigate further and possibly pursue legal action if they can find that person. Now remember, tax scams are a real threat. And with the knowledge and vigilance, you can protect yourself. Remember, the IRS will never ask for any of your personal information via email, text, phone calls, or voicemail. And they will never threaten to arrest you. If you have become a victim of any tax scam and you would like to know how you can protect your tax account from fraudulent tax returns, then book a call with me so I can get you protected. And until then, I will see you on the next video.